22-year-old male, gunshot wound to the groin. It's just my thigh, man. Weapon was in his pocket, accidentally discharged while he was reaching for his lighter. Yo. Don't make it sound so dumb. It was a tactical misfire. He shot himself in the balls. Tactical misfire. Well, one testicle's gone, the other's barely holding on. Man, why you gotta be so negative? Let's try to stay positive. Okay, I'm positive that if we don't act quick, you can say goodbye to the other one, too. Yeah, but I'll still be able to, you know, do my thing. I wouldn't count on it. Depends on what's left after we stop the bleeding. Wait, for real, for real? For real, for real. Oh, hell no! My girlfriend's gonna kill me! This wrecks her 10-year plan! 10-year plan? Get married, buy a house, have 3 kids. Doc, you gotta save them. She's already picked out baby names. Yeah, we'll do everything we can. Can we get this guy to the OR? You hear that, little buddy? Keep holding on! Don't go into the light!